How to create an eco-friendly company? With the daily pollution that we generate as consumers, and the pollution that companies produce, our planet has been increasingly affected. This is why people as well as organizations have become more aware that the world needs a breather. Some companies have adapted to sustainable and ecological measures that are lasting over time, although these decisions can be a bit costly in terms of materials and infrastructure. Organizations care that their customers know that their company has an eco-friendly business model. In general, to give us an idea of how much the environmental impact affects the planet, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations tells us that 30% of all food produced annually is discarded, thus causing pollution, but also a loss of 1,300 million tons of food, and approximately $700,000 million in environmental cost. FAO, 2019. If you plan or already have a business, you can take some measures so that your company can become an ecological business, and thus contribute to the environment, generating more awareness in your workers and consumers. Here are 6 tips. 1. Align your staff to green objectives. Communicate to your team about the measures you want to achieve, such as environmentally friendly habits within the organization, as well as the efficient use of material resources. In this way, you will be able to create in your collaborators practices that are in accordance with the mission of the organization to become an eco-friendly company. 2. Take care of energy consumption. An important factor when creating your company's green strategy is to make an annual projection of operating expenses in terms of energy consumption, water and material resources to be used throughout the year. This is not only important to save costs but also to generate a lower environmental impact. 3. Classify your waste. Being able to classify and recycle our waste is important both for your company and for the environment. For example, you could deposit inorganic garbage in a bag. In another, the organic remains. And in a last, all sanitary waste. 4. Look for ecological suppliers. Evaluate whether the goods and services you purchase for your company harm the environment. Remember that, like your collaborators, your suppliers should also have ecological practices. 5. Get certified as a green company. To obtain a certification, various points are evaluated, such as consumption of drinking water, waste, soil, atmospheric emissions, environmental risk, among others. If you receive this certification, your customers will know and verify that your product is ecological and does not harm the environment. 6. Create a media strategy. The time has come for everyone, your clients, potential clients, suppliers, and the market in general, to find out what you are doing. For this, you must create a marketing plan and make it known that you are an eco-friendly company. Changing or improving habits, reducing our material resources, and recycling our waste will favor the place where we live. And this not only benefits us, but also our company or undertaking, becoming a brand more valued by customers and even to generate higher profits. And this is all about how to create an eco-friendly company. We hope you have found it interesting. Now you just have to put these tips into practice. It's your turn.